Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create an Instagram password, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to create an Instagram password, first you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on the profile picture, at the top you can see the 3-line on your Instagram, which is also known as the hamburger menu icon. You want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to show you all these options. From all these options, you want to click on where it says settings. Now once you're inside settings, you can see the security option. Click on it. Once you're inside security, it should show you create password. Now since I have already created a password for my Instagram account, it's showing me password. But if you have not created a password for your Instagram account, instead of password, it's going to show you create password. You can just click on it and it'll take you to the page where you guys can create a password and the password will be set for you. But if you already had created a password in the past for your Instagram, it's going to show you password instead of create password. And if you want to change your password, you can just click on password, enter your current password, and then enter your new password over here and enter it again to confirm it. And at the top right, you can see the save button. Click on it and the new password will be saved. So that's how we guys can create password on Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.